Fine, sir.
Okay, so have you understood yesterday's session?
Also, I'm watching it by this one because I'm completing my projects.
Okay. So currently, what kind of project
Because
you are doing?
I'm the to image searching app.
Okay. Okay,
Uh,
let's just wait for few more minutes to join others. Okay.
okay,
So
sir.
I just have a urgent call.
Okay.
I have to pick. Okay. हेलो. हाँ कौन? नहीं. रॉन्ग नंबर. Yes. Hello, Karan. What are you saying?
No, sir, I didn't say anything.
Okay. Karan, could you please message to other guys?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good evening. Good evening, Sad Sivam. How are you? Okay. Good. Okay, let me just share the screen because it's already 7:02. So till to join others. So let's just a little bit chit chat and talking something about the front end and back end things. Sajay. Hi Sajay. How are you? Okay, let's just start the our main project. And today is the last date of this project. I mean, this project will finish by today. So till now we have seen so many things. So first of all, we build the UI for our backend API. So till now, whatever we do for the backend, so all these are what? All these are the APIs. But when you are deal with the real world project, means a project or a application which has so many users and which have so many functionalities, so uh, you can't see these kind of things like in a s- in a same file we have defined so many routes, right? Like the product.js, we define the get route. Let me just, yeah, we define the get routes and the post routes. And in today's session, we will see the delete API, or you can say delete path, or you can say delete route in this file too. So this is just a small project, but when you deal with the real application or big gigantic application, so it has totally a separate folder for a route things. And when you build something middlewares, so middlewares have a different folder and file. So all these things will happen. So till now, this is our backend application, and I also opened the front end application for our APIs. So this is our the front end things, and I start the both application by running command npm run dev and npm start. Okay, and our UI is something look like this, right? So in last session, we are building this UI for our product. So idea behind is that when we entered something in a input fields, so our product get added in our product section, right? But I go through all the code, but realize one thing, that is we are messed up something. If I open the home.js file, so we till now we have defined so many things, right? Like we make first of all we made the input fields for our form thing, something like this, and added a button which has a type of submit. And then we are also define a state which has a name of product and a price. And then we are handling our form using a function named handle submit, right? And handle submit is connected through this form body. We also define the handle submit on submit click event, as well as we are also for two-way binding, we also define the name things, and we gave on change method. And on the on change method, where on change means what? On change is, as its name is very clear, when somebody enters on your form and typing some product name and a price, so they are trying to change something. That's why it has a inbuilt function as a on change. And we are giving a customized function as update form. It means, and what will do this function update form? When a user enter the product name and a price, so it will get updated. And how this function work, so we are also defining this function over here. And this function takes an event, and we are doing like we are loaded everything that's are already presented inside the form, and then we are targeting our form something like this: event.target.name, which has a value, and value is event.target.value, right? So it is just a quick recap of previous class. And now if we are trying to enter something, let's just come on to the browser side and come on to the home page. Let's just add something. uh, let's say I just want to add Apple iPad, and I want to give a price of 3,335 dollars. Okay, so the moment I tap on a add product button and come on to the product browser, so it is surprisingly it is added. Okay, yeah, it is added, right? So let's just open the browser and check on the console. So it has so many objects. Why? Yeah, okay, got it. Yeah, everything is fine till now. So how this happen basically? So if we are just go back to our front end application, and here we have updated the form like this way. Yeah, till here everything is okay, but how the console is working on? Okay, let's just refresh this thing. Let's just check this thing one more time. Mm, uh, surprisingly, this is working out, but I don't expect that it is working. Something I need to check here. Let's just check our application. Is it still working or not? Yes, it is still working. So it's fine. Okay, let's just add one more product. Let's say we are adding DuckDuckGo, and let's say price of this browser is $99, and let's just add this thing. And if I came back here, and here it is added, right? So yeah, the application work good. So you are understood how this thing flows off. Somebody is joined. Okay. But I want to change one thing, and the thing is, I don't want that when somebody enters something, let's say if I randomly add something, let's say I just add my name, Jay here, and give it price $44, and the moment I tap on add product button and I come over here, yeah, it is get printed Jay and $44, but it is still when I hit the add product button. So I don't want that this thing keeps remain same. I don't want like when I the moment I hit the button, I even I eventually I hit the button and it's get registered in the product list, but I don't want that these name field are still the same. I don't want these things still remain same. So for removing this thing, what what would I have to do? So let's just come on to our front end application again and do one thing. Just give it here one more then, and let's say I want here from data, or just I don't want the receive of data field over here, and let's just say here it is set form thing, right? So here I'm writing it something like this, and the product field I just want it empty, as well as I want price should be also empty, get empty, right? When somebody hit enters and they will get these things. So we just again type something like yeah, now this time I type Realme and I just give it the price of $99. Let's just add this product and the form is empty. The moment I tap on a button add product, it gets empty. Now let's just come into the product list over here, and you can see here that Realme is get registered in a product field, right? And our old problem is gone, right? So till now we have completed our registered thing, but if I come on to the product field, or you can say product list, so if I tap on this trash button, so it is not working cause till now we are not working on this, right? So we have to work on delete API. So before working on a delete API, we have to do something for our front end, that's so that our delete button start working out. So now let's just come into the product.js field, and here we can do one thing, that on click on just yeah. Okay, that's why I'm thinking why it is not working it out, because I'm mistakenly write inside the class thing. So I have to write outside the class, right? So on click, I want a callback, and so let's just say I want delete product. So and so this we are giving a function name which has the function name is delete product, but this button is already nested inside the products, right? We are giving it a map function, so it is nested inside the products. So in order to delete a product, we have to catch their id. So on based of the id number, we can delete the product, right? So in this case, I just want to uh, let's say product should have an id. So I'm giving it here the id. So now the function is totally ready, but we have to now make the function of delete product, right? So now let's just quickly make our delete product function. So I'm coming here and make the button, sorry, make the function as const delete product, right? This thing, and this thing should have a product. uh, I'm just giving it a parameter, let's say product id, right? And now here the again we are going to fetch the products, right? So let's say fetch, fetch fetch. So it takes the url, and our url is http colon slash slash localhost, and then slash 4000 um 4000 slash products slash. So this time I don't want uh, uh this time I need to fetch the id number, right? So we can do something like this way, we can do this thing, but now this time I just want something modern, modern syntax. And the modern syntax, so you can try it out something like this way. So you need to select this thing and make the backticks. Yeah, this is correct. And now our id will be fetched dynamically. And how you can give the id dynamically? So you have to put the dollar sign and give it a curly braces, and inside this you can say product.id, right? Now for now everything is fine, and our fetch is also accepting um, object, or you can say JSON object. So here we have to define the method name. So Visual Studio gave it the suggestion method, right? And now this time the method will be a delete method, delete, right? And now request is everything is fine till now, and we have now the then function. So if request is, we have to tell that our request should be changed in a form of JSON, and and we have to put one more there, right? And this then, so we can fetch whatever we received. So for that reason, we can do one thing, that we put a console and log the data, right? Okay, till now everything is okay, but how we can get that a particular product is gone our list? So in order to do this thing, we can again put it this fetch product function. So this will update our product list, right? So let's just keep this function over here, and now everything is okay. If I just save this thing, but it will not gonna to work. The reason behind is that let's just test it out. Okay, let's just come onto our browser, and let's just open the inspect section and come on to the network section. We already select the fetch request, and now let's just delete this thing. Okay, and here you can see that we have a error of 404. If I open this error and hit into the preview section, so you will get that cannot find the delete slash product slash this ID number. So our browser is not able to get this route. Reason behind is that we are not defined the delete API in our backend application. That's why we are getting this error. Now let's just come into our backend application. Okay, and yeah, we have a product.js thing. I mean product.js file we have. Now we have to make the delete API, right? So let's just come over in a here and define the router. So router dot, we have to define the method. So this will be a delete method, and then we have to define our routes. So our routes going to be products, and then uh, whatever ID you want to delete. So you have to give this column. Column means what? Column means it will be fetch the ID number. So dynamically whatever the ID will come it out, or you can say pop it out, so it will catch that ID. Okay. So let's just put it out. Products. Oh, sorry. Product ID. It will be more generalist name. Product ID. So the yeah, now it's get better. Actually, everything whatever the name or variable you are keep on in JavaScript, it should be camel case. So it is not something that it will give you error, but the thing is, it is a better thing that you are giving a variable or your name or any kind of ID or things name in a camel case. So as regular, we have request and response, and then uh, here we can define one thing, products. So I'm choosing products, and then this product should be uh, filter it out from itself, means product. So we can apply the JavaScript, or you can say Node.js logic, that is filter. And what this filter gonna do? This filter has this filter will receive an item. So item is a parameter in a form of ID, right? And we can have Right now we can have request dot params. So what is this thing? I'm just telling you in a second. Product ID. So in previous session, you are already seen that request dot body thing, right? If you are just scroll, okay, somewhere else, yeah, here. So when it was a post thing, I mean when it was a post method, we are doing request dot body. So request comes from the body, but when you fetch the IDs, ID means a dynamic ID. When you are fetching something like this way, so it has it has a method of params. So params will do what? So params will catch this route, or you can say ID. So params will catch this ID, and you can do with the help of request.params.product ID, right? So I hope that here everything is clear to you guys. Okay. So now we can do something like if request.products.id is not equivalent, if it will be not equivalent to the request or sorry items dot id, then it should be filter it out, right? So till here everything is fine. uh, Now we can say one thing here, is we can do something res.json. So if everything will be fine, then we wish that uh, status code should be okay. I mean status uh, should be okay. So for that, status, and let's just say okay, something like this. Okay, now everything is fine. Let's just save this and get back to our browser. So let's just refresh the screen. Now we are trying to delete this Kali Linux thing, but the product is not deleted. Is there something else? Uh, okay, okay. I think I do a mistake. The mistake is I am just directly put the products. So here, if you can see here, this is the variable type of const, right? And we cannot directly change a variable which has a type of variable of const. So we have to we have to change it. Let's say we have to define it. Let Now everything is fine. Let's just save this thing and check it out. Is it still work or not? If I delete this thing, uh, status we are getting 200, but why? I don't know why it is not working. Okay, let's just come and give it. Let's just add anything. Let's say XYZ and give it $35. Add the product. Come into here and try to delete this thing. It is not deleted. Let's just check me out. What's happening here? Status is okay. Okay, Jagdish. Hello, Jagdish. I'm so sorry that I was not seeing your request. Okay, let's just come back to our project again.
What is that?
Huh.
No. Okay.
Karan, are you saying something?
No, sir, no.
So here we are giving the product.id, and this product.id is getting from here. So what is the issue? Uh, so method is also correct. Okay, let's just remove this thing because we are already getting the things, and we have the res.json, and this is also received the product ID. Everything is fine. Uh, Here we can see that our product is successfully get deleted here in a network section, but here you can see that we have a message of OK. Responses also we are getting OK. Now let me just check it out. Uh, why this is happening? And the problem is not from the back end. The problem is getting in a front end, basically. I think so. Uh, product.id. Okay, everything is fine. I think Yeah, here is everything fine. Uh, JSON and data fetch products, right? Here is also fine, everything. Uh, have you guys any idea that uh, where it is?
Sir,
Huh?
may I?
Jagdish, are you saying something?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Please.
Sir,
Your voice is not clear, Jagdish. You
the
can write
map
message.
function must have written keyword, no, sir.
Map function.
Have a written keyword.
Yeah, you are
Sometime missing
correct.
of written keyword.
Yes, but the thing is, this map keyword, when we are not defining curly braces, like when we have this small braces, so we don't need to write the return keyword. Okay, so by default
Okay,
it
sir.
is a return statement, and when we define a curly braces, so that means we need to define a return syntax.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Mm. Even our request is getting succeed, but this thing makes a little bit problem. So set projects, fetch products. Okay, let me just copy this thing and paste it here. It is totally a same syntax, right? So the idea behind this is this fetch product will update this set products, right? This thing, this function will be updated, and when it has a updated version, so it also should when I delete a product by its product ID, so it will also update it to here, right? But it is not getting updated here. If I press on XYZ button, even the even here you can see that we have a delete request succeeded, but it is not working on a front end side. Okay, we have a product.id, event.target.value is also fine. Uh, we are lagging somewhere, I think. Mm, just say anything, mango, $99 and add product, and it is getting succeeded, and it says 200. And when I come to the product list, it is also get updated here at this thing. But the moment I tap on delete button, it gives the success message that the request is method type and URL is this, and it is deleted. But it is not reflected on a front end side, right? Okay. Okay, let's get back to the backend application one more time. Uh, so here if it is, oh, everything is fine. This is really be very complex thing, because when you are not getting even a error message, right? If you are check on the network section, you are getting the status code of succeed. If you are look at the status code, you are getting 200, which is a status of uh, succeed. And you can see here it has a green color, means the request is completely succeeded. And if you are come on to the console thing, even you can get this thing, the whole product and a price list. But although you are not getting any error, and still you have a bug on your system that you are not able to getting the deleted item. Surprisingly, it is deleted. But how this happen? Let me just delete one more time. How this happen, man? Uh, okay, let's just add one more time. Uh, and this time, let's say banana. Okay, it's a $99. Added the product. Come on to here, and the moment I tap on, now it is not working. Okay, I think I need to restart my server. Okay, let's just come onto here. Okay, here a bunch of error cannot set header after they are sent to the client. Okay, here I got an error in our CMD that cannot set headers after they are sent to the client. Okay, we cannot set to the header. Let's see what he is talking about. products, product ID, and then we have a uh, request param dot product ID dot ID. Okay, if I just remove this thing, will it be okay? Uh, okay, let's just see. Yeah, now our backend application is all happy. Let's just check it out one more time. If I delete on banana, is it is still it is not working. But here it is, everything is good. Okay, let me just restart my front end application. Sometimes we got this kind of error, and that time it will always be recommended that we need to start the server one more time. Start. Uh, okay, wait for a few more minutes to get this thing up and running. Uh, Now this time the product list is not able to shown. Don't know what is the problem. When everything is fine, why it is not showing? It is totally, I mean, it totally blown my mind why this thing happened. Just a few minutes back, our product list is visible, and right now it is not visible. Now let's just come on to the network section and tap on product list one more time, and still here is also nothing is visible. Okay, let me just add something. Okay, let's say Apple price is $50. Then just add this thing. Here we got on a network tab. We got the status of 200, which has a sign of success, right? We have a green color over here. Now let's just come on to the product list. Yeah, now everything is fine, I think. If I delete on this, but it is not working. Uh, it is really amazed me why this thing happened. So I think in my network it has some issue, cause if I looked at my request header, So here we have something like no cache or connection keep active, something like this thing. So I think in my network section we have some error. That's why it is showing. You can see here the request is still pending. Hello, 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 guys. Can anybody respond me? Okay, as you can see here, the request that we are making here, it is in pending mode, right? If you can see over here, so it is in pending mode. If I made one more time, if I made this request, so it is still in pending mode. So I think I have some network issue in my system right now. That's why it is in pending state. But I can definitely say that if you running this code on your system, it will totally work because we gave totally correct thing. Actually, previously I was a little bit confused that net why my product is not get deleted. But we have to we are writing everything is correct. We are writing everything correctly, but the thing is it is not showing. So it has some issue. So guys, everything is fine till now, and I hope my code is will work fine when you're running on your system. Okay. So I would like to do one thing. This project is totally get completed. So I will push this code on a GitHub repo. So actually, the thing is, I have a GitHub account, but that was professional. I am not able to share some confidential things with you. So I have to create a new GitHub uh, account for that thing. So I will make a repo on there and will share the link with you guys. Okay. So I would recommend please try it out with yourself. I can say this thing will totally work on your system, and this project is almost it is completed. Like it has a delete button and a create button. You can create a new product, and you can also delete the product, right? So one thing is still remaining, which is update product. Okay, so I would recommend please do it. Add this feature with your own. Okay, and let me know have you have you done this or not, or have you any kind of issue while uh, while adding this feature on this project. Okay. So Karan, Satsivam, and Jagdish, is this okay? Are you there, guys? Hello. Okay. Thank you so much for this. Acha, okay. Jagdish, okay, you will try. Thank you so much for responding, Jagdish. So I will share the this project link with you guys on the WhatsApp group. Okay. So I hope that you are able to understood what I'm trying to say you. And a last thing, you can see here that this request is still in a pending phase, because in my system I have some kind of issue, I think. And you are really amazed to see this. Now it is now not visible any product on our product list, right? If you check this thing, it is not visible any kind of product. So maybe I have some kind of network issue on my laptop, but I hope that this project will totally work fine on your system. This project is completed right now, but still, if you guys have facing some issue or having any issue, then please call me up. Please tell me. I will try to help you guys. Okay. So this is for today's session. We will connect on tomorrow. Okay. And from tomorrow we will start MongoDB. So I would recommend please download MongoDB. Okay. So you can find the link on official MongoDB website. So here you can get all the MongoDB things. So I would recommend please download the MongoDB on your system, and then we will.
Sir,
Jagdish,
sir, you told that after installing MongoDB, you will teach that environment lab.
how to set up all these things?
Told
I
it.
mean MongoDB.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Okay, simple things. First of all, you need to go on MongoDB official website. Okay, so you need to choose the community. Always choose the community edition. Okay, so community edition is for development thing. So here you will get the uh, if you are using window, then I would say go on to this thing. Uh, Here Mac OS and Ubuntu. No, I need window. So here you can download the file from this here. You need to choose your platform and then just click on download button. Okay, here. Now it is started getting to download, but I don't need to download this thing. So I'm cancelled this thing because I have already installed the MongoDB in my system. Okay, let me just share this link with you guys. So by this link, you are directly getting to this thing, and here you can download. Okay, and after download, you can do one thing, that you have to come to the download path. Okay, uh, Karan, are you sending something on a group chat? Karan.
I just shared the MongoDB link in the
Okay, 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 okay. And then you need to go on your download path. Okay, so let's just say if I downloaded on my download system. Okay, so I need to go on a download folder. If I come to here and let's just search the MongoDB. Okay, or you are not getting this thing here, I would say you need to come on your local disk C, okay? And inside the local disk C, you have a program file, okay? So here you can see here that you have a MongoDB, okay? So here you need to open this MongoDB and then server thing and then 6. I have a version of MongoDB version of 6.0. In your case, if the version will be updated right now, so you will get a different version, okay? Then you need to come inside the 6.0, okay? And then you can see here it is a bin folder, right? You need to go inside the bin folder. Bin means what? Binary folder, okay? And now here you can see the whole tab. You need to click like this, so the whole path will be selected, and then you need to press Ctrl plus C, okay? After tapping on Ctrl plus C, so it will be down, it will be copied the whole path, and then you need to do one thing. You need to press on a search button, and then you need to write the uh, path or environment. You can even write the
बोल ना करो
eFactory. Yes.
लेक्चर का दिस लागू
So you
लेक्चर चालू
can
है रे
you have to press on a environment variable.
समझी
Karan, are you saying something? Okay. So now let's just come to the environment variable thing, and then you need to tap on an environment variable, okay? And then you can do one thing, that is you need to come on a user variable for admin, as well as you need to come on a system variable, okay? Here you will get the path. Here I hope you can see here the path, okay? So you need to press edit on the path. After selecting path, you need to press on a edit button, okay? And here you have to you have to press on a new. So here, so right now here you can paste the copied link where you copied the thing, right? So in my case, I'm not going to paste again, because I already pasted here somewhere here, and then you need to press on OK. Okay, so the same thing you need to do here. Same thing you need to do here by writing the edit and press all the path of the button, I mean the path of the bin folder, and then press on OK button, and then you need to just tap on OK and OK. So it will make what? So it so by doing this thing, you have a now command over the MongoDB. If I just click on a CMD button, and if I write MongoDB, okay, so okay, I need so MongoDB is not the correct the command. So I need to do
क्लिक कर द्या ग्रीन वर क्लिक केलंस
Mongo
डन कर तिकडे असेल ना
version. Uh, sorry, Mongo. So I think I also do not set the path. So I will set the path of Mongo or something. So it will do what it you can have a access on your command prompt. Okay. So after doing this, so this is the whole process of the MongoDB. So I will quickly do this thing with my own. Okay. So I hope guys that you will do the same thing with your own. Okay. Jagdish, are you able to understood this thing? I know that
Yes, sir. I will download.
it will take. I mean, it is taking so many of steps to doing the same thing, but I will provide the recorded video. Okay, so where you can do the same thing, or else you just simply can download the MongoDB. In tomorrow session I will set your path. Okay, so if you do some mistake, so I will correct you. Okay. Okay, thank you so much,
Okay,
guys.
sir.
Okay, bye.